Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Chevy Traverse LS in Silver Ice Metallic. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 38,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, third row seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P3289B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.